Um, Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is John Shorter, and I am going to present my user manual of my system, and my system name is payroll management system. So this is the homepage. Here, here you need to log in here. There is no sign up option because of this is for only for the admin one. So you need to use your share name and your password. I'm going to log in here. My share name, username is Monir, and my password is as admin. I'm going to log in, and this is success. That means the username and password are met. So okay, here this is the main interface. Here there's some attributes like employee manager, stars, allowance, update salary, duration, and payment. If we want to add an new employee, then here you have to give the employee details, and here the employee ID will generate automatically. Here you just need to enter the first name like Monero Shaman as a share name, Shorkar. Date of birth is 2012 and 1996. Male. Department admin. Designation cashier. Status active or it is shows that active or inactive. Hired date means when the was hired. Hired date I'm going to set as 3/12/2018. That means today. I'm going to get the basic salary. Basic salary 10,000. And the job title, I'm going to decide the job title as a cashier. As the email, Monero German 35-2003 at the rate tiu.edu.bd. Contact +880-178-288-8255. As the address line, I'm going to just figure Mundi Botirish. House long 4352. Postcode. As the add record option, if we click on the add record, then the record will be added. I'm going to click there, add record. Here is the confirmation message dialog box. Are you sure wants to add record? I'm going to press yes. That is successful. Okay. So after that, you need to just close the employee details window. That's the details of the employee manager. And if we're going to change the employee manager here, we just need to input a employee ID. Like if you press on 2, that means the other one. This is the operator. Which one is inserted first, and I'm going to press 5. Yes, this is German Farker. He is also CEO, not that. I'm going to press 6. I'm going to press 6. Yeah, this is the result. The employee ID was 6, and the first time share name, last time everything is here. It shows some missing records, and that's for the address line 2. Address line 2. That's for why this shows the missing record. And here is option to upload photo, but this will be uploaded as photo, but this project is not completed yet fully. That's why this feature is not working right now. Here we can do anything like update record. We can change the name, date of birth, salary, job title easily, and after that we can press on update record. The record will be updated automatically. And if we want to delete this user, then we have to press delete record. After pressing delete record, the delete record will be deleted. Like I'm pressing the delete record. Are you sure you want to delete record? Yes, I'm sure. You got to it. Okay. Now again, press 6. Okay, missing data. Press 6. Missing data. I mean, data is missing. And these forms are filled up. Filled up. That's why that's not working. And I'm going to search again. Search. Press 6. So there is no data. This is the search option, and the allowance one is for the upgradation, overtime, medical bonus, and other extra payments. So here I'm going to employee ID as 2. Here is the everything. Employee ID 2 Marujima Sarkar, Shonai Monir, date of birth, basic salary, department admin. So here the overtime option, the medical option, the bonus option, and add the others option. And if I want to add overtime, I am going to click 5, that means the hour, because overtime must be calculated in hour wise. So overtime, total overtime here we created automatically, overtime 5. So if we click on calculate the calculation, so total overtime 7.5, hour rate, hour rate 1305 is the fixed rate, and I am going to save it. Save it, yeah, saved. Elements are saved, and I'm going to close that. Again, the update salary. Update salary means here we just again we have to search with employee ID, and the field will automatically filled up. Yeah, this filled up to Monir, and the details here. And update salary by, here is the two options. How much salary we want to update by, and what is the path. We can update the salary in two ways, that is the percentage and the amount. If we click the percentage, then we need to give the value of the percentage, and if we click to amount, then we need to insert the amount. Here I'm going to click at percentage, I mean here 10%. If we create on update, then the basic salary will automatically update it. Yes, and the record will update. First one, there was 61,000, and now it is 7,000. This is the updated option. And the deduction option is also for the decreased salary. I'm going to add employee ID 2 for search. There is the details of the employee. Update salary. Sorry, this there is a mistake. This will be deduct salary. That's my fault. And the percentage, I'm going to deduct this by 10%. And here you need to write a reason. I'm going to write no reason because I don't have any reason. And if you calculate here, then the total deduction and the salary after deduction will be calculated here. Here is the total deduction 67 6710 is the total deduction, and after salary after deduction is 60,000. I'm going to save it. First of all, our salary was 60,000, but here 60,000 and 390. Here 390 is only for the allowance we added for the overtime. I'm going to close it again and have the payment option. In this payment option, in which member you want to payment, the employee ID you have to enter here. I'm going to enter here 2, and the details here. Here is the receipt, I mean the pay slip. If we click on that, it will show the top box, and this will be saved as a PDF file. So here you just select your suitable folder or driver where we want to save the details. I'm going to save it at document. This is the name, Money, salary slip. I'm going to save it. Okay, report was successfully generated. Okay, now we'll go to the documents section to ensure that our salary, our payslip is generated. Here, this is the document option, and here we got it. Money salary slip. If we open this, then we'll see that basic salary 67,000, overtime, medical, everything is 0 hours because everything will be added here, and this is the basic salary is created. No dedication is allowed here. Oh yeah, here is a dedication that is for 5,500 with 300 before. I'm going to close it, and in the other hand, at the top of the project, here is something, and this is employee, this is the report, this is the audit, this is the about. So if we go into employee, it is employee registration, that will go to the employee manager. Here, by here we can uh, add employee or add record. I'm going to close it, and at the reports, here is the employee reports, employee total allowance report, employee total deduction report. Here is the employee report. Everything we have to save it. We have to save. So save the PDF file here, and I'm going to open it again. Employee report. Here is the employee report, the name and everything on it with the addresses. I'm going to close it again and going to the back to the software or system. Is the audit. Audit means audit trial, and add user. Here this is just here audit trial. That means visitors have come here with their employee ID and it, what does it does with this system. I'm going to audit trial to show that here many more people have entered here. Here this is the update deduction other salary. That means today I have just done this, and then the first in this first very first in this subject has been done, and employee ID 1, 2, and 2 actually I used mainly. I'm going to close it and audit user, add user. That means add user. That means I can add another admin or another one to add employee manager detection and whatever we want. And this is showing the username here. That's not fact. By the way, I'm going to close it and again. This is the about my software system and everything. And this system is totally created by me, and this is a university project. Um, I am from Daffodil International University, and my varsity ID is 171352003. And this video is gone to our honorable teacher and Mr. Sir and myself. Thank you very much. Thank you.